Good morning. Grab yourself a cup of tea. I've got a few things to show you. Got the Bonded Warehouse and the Stourbridge Festival going on, Canal Festival, and we're going to go and see Lloyd at Riverside House, and there's a connection to that you'll see in a next video. So just grab a cup, enjoy. That's a serious cover, isn't it? Charbella, wow, I like that. So I'm on the path from the Ruskin Glass Centre back there, going into Stourbridge, towards the town centre, but going to the Bonded Warehouse. And we're just going to pass a few boats. I'm just going to show you a couple of boats on the way. So enjoy your tea. Someone's got their Christmas tree already. How cool is that? So there's a consultation going on here about the use of the land and what people would like. So this is what they're proposing, and it's going to be in there. And I've got to show you this. So that building there, which we can't see very easily, is an old steelworks, and that whole building there is the old steelmaster's house. So this is the old steelmaster's house, and this is what Lloyd is doing with the land. Let me show you around some of this. So Lloyd has got students, young lads, that need a bit of assistance, and he's getting them growing things in raised beds. And he's got this little cafe area here, which is beautiful, and there's lots going on here. And this is where they have their lunch and their meetings and their chats around this lovely log burner there. So up there is the Bonded Warehouse, where it's going to be busy. So I'm working my way back to the workshop now. I'll just show you a couple more things going on the canal. Canal boat here, but we've got modern housing being built behind it, which is a sign of the times, I suppose. So I'm leaving all that behind. I hope you like this video. It's good to see Lloyd and what's going on there, and I'm going to head back to my workshop now. I've got someone here to do a bit of music for us, because Ian, this is Ian, he's in the glass centre and he does glass, and he's going to do some music for the video, which I think is great. So I'm sort of helping him a bit, he's helping me a bit, and we'll anyhow have a listen to this. Oh, that's wonderful. Brilliant. Cheers, Ian. Thank you. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.